Hi, it's Kevin. Welcome back for this new video about the European drone regulation. It will be probably the last one about regulation. I have already mentioned this regulation a lot of times, but now we will finally talk about it. So, European Union have two texts to regulate the drone use in its territory. The Commission Delegated Regulation of March 2019 and the Commission Implementing Regulation of May 2019. But these texts will be applied in July 2020. They decide to create three categories of operations: open, specific, and certified. Each category has its own rules. In the open category, they had three subcategories: A1, A2, and A3. They also created 5 drone classes, with their own limits and obligations. We will see everything in the following slides. First, the open category. To be considered in this category, the operation must stay in these limits. Fly under the limit of 120 meters. The drone weighs less than 25 kilograms. The pilot has to keep a safety distance between the drone and peoples. The visual contact with the drone must remain during operation. The drone cannot carry dangerous goods or drop anything. In the specific category, the drone cannot fly over 120 meters. The drone must have a maximum characteristic dimension up to 3 meters in VLOS, visual line of sight, over controlled ground area except over assemblies of people, or maximum characteristic dimension up to 1 meter in VLOS except over assemblies of people, or maximum characteristic dimension up to 1 meter in BVLOS, beyond visual line of sight, over sparsely populated areas, or maximum characteristic dimension up to 3 meter in BVLOS over controlled ground area. To fly in specific category, you need to get an authorization, enter a declaration, or be in possession of a LUC, Light UAS certificate. In every authorization application, there is a risk analysis and measures to mitigate them. The declaration must contain administrative information, standard scenario, engagement of the pilot to take all the necessary security measures, and insurance confirmation. A LUC application must contain a description of the drone operator's management system, the name of the responsible drone operator's personnel, a statement that all the documentation submitted to the competent authority has been verified. In the certified category, the operator must be certified, the pilot must have a license, the drone must be certified too. This category is made for dangerous operations such as people overflown, people transport, or dangerous good transport. Now we will approach the subcategory in the open category. The first one is the A1. To fly in this subcategory, the pilot has to be familiarized with the user manual of the drone. The operation must be conducted in such a way that a remote pilot of the drone does not overfly assemblies of people and reasonably expect that an uninvolved person will be overflown. In case of the use of a C1 drone, complete an online training and successfully pass the examination. For the second one, A2, the pilot has to meet all the A1 requirements, complete a self-practical training in the operating conditions of the A3 subcategory, and pass an additional theoretical examination. The operation must be conducted in such a way that the drone does not overfly uninvolved persons, and the drone operation takes place at a safe horizontal distance of at least 30 meters from them. In subcategory A3, it's the same requirement for the pilot as A2 subcategory. The operation must be conducted in an area where the remote pilot reasonably expects that no uninvolved person will be endangered within the range where the drone is flown during the entire time of the operation. The operation has to be conducted in a safe horizontal distance of at least 150 meters from residential, commercial, industrial, or recreational areas. Let's talk about drone classes now. The first one is the C0. To be in the C0 class, the drone must, weighing less than 250 grams, have a speed that don't exceed 19 meters by second, be powered by electricity and have a nominal voltage not exceeding 24 volts, if equipped with a follow me mode, and when function is on, stay in a range not exceeding 50 meters from pilot, and the drone must be marked as C0. To be in the C1 class, the drone must, weighing less than 900 grams, have a vertical speed that don't exceed 19 meters by second, be powered by electricity and have nominal voltage not exceeding 24 volts, have a guaranteed A-weighted sound power level, have a direct remote identification that give the operator registration number, the physical serial number of the drone, geographical position of the drone, the route course, and the geographical position of the pilot. The drone must also be equipped with the following security systems: a geo-awareness system, a warning alert for airspace limitations, a warning alert for failure of positioning system, a clear warning for low battery, and lights. And finally, the drone must be marked as C1. To be in C2 class, the drone must, weighing less than 4 kilograms, have a low speed mode of 3 meters by second, be powered by electricity and have nominal voltage not exceeding 48 volts, have a guaranteed A-weighted sound power level, have a direct remote identification, be equipped with C1 security systems, and, if tethered, have a tensile length of the tether that is less than 50 meters. In case of loss of data link, have a reliable method to recover the data link or terminate the flight. If the drone have a function that limits its access to certain airspace areas, this function shall operate in a way to keep the flight safe. And finally, the drone must be marked as C2. To be in the C3 class, the drone must, weighing less than 25 kilograms, have a characteristic dimension of 3 meters maximum, be powered by electricity and have nominal voltage not exceeding 48 volts, have a guaranteed A-weighted sound power level, have a direct remote identification, be equipped with C2 security systems, and be marked as C3. To be in C4 class, the drone must, weighing less than 25 kilograms, and be marked as C4. This class is for special drones like homemade drones. Thank you for watching this video and don't hesitate to visit our website or social networks. Bye bye.